In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a sent email in Gmail. This task can be surprisingly useful, especially if you've ever found yourself hitting send a bit too hastily. Now, while Gmail doesn't allow direct editing of sent emails, there are some nifty alternatives you can use to manage and recover the situation when that need arises. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, let's clarify what you can actually do if you've sent an email in Gmail and need to make changes. One of the most useful features Gmail offers is the Undo Send feature. This is a setting you should have enabled because it provides a short window after hitting send during which you can pull the email back. To ensure this option is turned on, head over to your Gmail settings found in the gear icon at the top right corner of your inbox. Click on See All Settings, and within the General tab, you'll find the option to set your cancellation period. You can choose between 5, 10, 20, or up to 30 seconds to give yourself a little breathing room. Remember that this won't help if the email has already been sent past this timing, but it's a great preventative measure. In case the email has already gone through and undo isn't an option, the practical step is to send a correction or a follow-up email. This might feel a bit counterintuitive, but a concise follow-up email can easily clarify any errors or updates needed in your earlier message. When doing this, be sure to keep your tone polite and straightforward. A simple correction in the subject line can alert your recipient to the updated information. This transparency is often appreciated and reflects positively on your communication skills. Furthermore, using Gmail's draft feature can be beneficial in preventing editing needs post-send. Create thorough drafts and proofread them before sending. You'd be surprised how much detail-oriented review helps in minimizing mistakes. Utilizing extensions and tools available with Gmail can also streamline this process. Lastly, consider using the Scheduled Send feature if you need to double-check details or conversational aspects later on before the email goes out. Under your Compose window, there's a small arrow next to the Send button. Clicking this will allow you to schedule your message to send later. This could provide extra time to reflect and make any adjustments. And there you have it. Although you can't technically edit a sent email, with these steps you can effectively manage and mitigate any potential mistakes. Continuously optimizing your email habits with features like Undo Send, follow-ups, and scheduled sends ensures your communication stays clear and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain a smooth email workflow.